Hello friends, today I am going to explain about accounting basics and top interview questions. I hope this will help to the people who are all looking for the job. Please watch the video and subscribe my channel for more updates. What is accounting? It's a recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner which is in terms of money, transactions or events which result a part of financial characters and interpreting the result thereof. Golden rules of accounting. Accounting concept has been classified into three categories. One is personal account. It's related to the person or kind. Rules for the personal account is debit the receiver, credit the giver. Example, bank account, person's account or company account. Second one is real account. It's related to the asset. It may be a tangible asset or intangible asset. Rules for the real account is debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Example, machinery account, furniture account and goodwill account. Nominal account. It's related to the income or expenses. Rules for nominal account is all expenses and losses are debited, income and gains are credited. Example, discount account, commission paid, commission received. What is bookkeeping? Recording the business transactions in a systematical manner, it's called as bookkeeping. Types of transaction. Accounting transaction has been classified into four types. First one is cash transaction. Transactions which is happening through cash immediately is called as cash transaction. Example, purchase of goods through cash, sale of goods for cash. Second one is credit transaction. Here, transaction not settling immediately, however, it will settle in future dates. Example, purchase of goods on credit or any unpaid expenses. Third one is barter transaction. Here, transaction not happening through cash or credit, however, it's happening through money worth, like in kind of exchange system. Example, sale of furniture in exchange of purchasing the typewriter or giving the goods to the purchase of furniture. Fourth one is paper transaction. It is a business transaction where there is a no question of meeting, receiving and paying for the value of transaction. Example, bad debt written off or depreciation charging for any fixed assets. Proprietor or owner. Proprietor is a person who invests the money or money worth like furniture, machinery, buildings or any other things to the business as a capital, and he bear all the risk of the business. For the risk undertaken by him, he rewarded with a profit. What is capital? The amount of money or money worth, say like furniture, building, etc., introduced or invested by the proprietor at the time of commencement of the business is called as capital. Difference between capital and liability. Capital. Capital introduced by the owner. Liability. It is contributed from the outsider. Capital may or may not be repaid. Liability must be repaid by the business. Capital may be debit or credit balance. Liability is always a credit balance. Drawings. Drawings refers to cash, goods or any other asset withdrawn by the owner or proprietor from his business for his personal or private purpose. Net worth or net asset. Net worth or net asset means the excess of total asset of the business over the total liability at any particular time is a net worth. Example, asset is at 12 rupees, liabilities is 10 rupees, remaining 2 rupees is a net worth. What is assets? It's a things or valuable resources owned by the business which were acquired at measurable money cost. It includes physical or real properties or things called as tangible asset like land and building, furniture, motors, etc. and intangible asset like goodwill, trademark, etc. What is liability? In general, it's a claim from the outsiders, which means company needs to pay for others for buying the materials, receiving the services, rent or any other expenses. Liability is a account payables. What is goods? Goods refers to merchandise, commodities, products, articles or things in which trader deals or commodities or things in which meant for resale is a goods. Inventory or stock. Inventory or stock refers to stock of finished goods held for sale in ordinary course of business or stock of raw materials and work in progress held for consumption or production for finished good for sale. What is debt? Amount of business transaction which is due from the customer is a debt. There are four types in debt. First one is book debt. Book debt is the amount which is due to the business from his customer as per books of account. Second one is good debt. It refers to debt which we can recover from the customer full. There is no doubt for its recovery. In short, it's a fully recoverable debt. Third one is bad debt. Debt which we cannot recoverable from the customer is a bad debt. Fourth one is doubtful debt. Debt recovery is doubtful. It means we may receive or may not be recover those debt. Solvent. A businessman said to be a solvent when he is able to pay all his liabilities in full. In other words, his asset is exceeds his liability. Insolvent. A businessman said to be insolvent when he is not able to pay his liability in full. In other words, his asset is less than his liability. Expenses. Cost incurred in connection with earnings the revenue is a expenses. Revenue or income. Revenue or income is the earnings of the business from the sale of goods or rendering the service to the customer during the accounting period. It also includes earnings like interest or dividend received. Expenditure. Expenditure means expenses which is incurred when the assets or services acquired. Gains. It refers to revenue which is not generated through regular business activities. Example, revenue generated by sale of fixed asset. It is called as gains. What is loss? It refers to money or money worth given up without getting any benefit in returns. It called as loss. What is profit? Excess of revenue over the expenses in a given period of time. Usually we used to calculate for 1 year. What is entry? Recording the transaction in a books of account is known as entry. What is account receivables? Account receivables refers to amount due to the business undertaking from the customer or debtor to whom goods are sold or services are rendered on credit. It includes bills receivables and sundry debtors. What is account payable? Account payable refers to amount owed by the business undertaking to the creditors from whom goods are purchased and services are received on credit. It includes sundry creditors and bills payable. Double entry transaction. It is a system of making two or double entry of equal value in two different accounts in opposite side of the books of each contracting party is known as double entry system. Journal or journal entry. It is a book of original entry which all the transactions are firstly recorded in chronological manner from the source document. It's like in order of accordance or order of the date. What is ledger? It is a summary statement relating to the particular person, asset, expenses or income which have taken place during a given period of time. Difference between journal and ledger. Journal is a book of first or original entry which all the transaction recorded first. However, ledger is a book of final entry as all the transaction recorded finally in the ledger. Debit note or debit memorandum. Whenever goods are returned by a trader to a supplier, a statement will prepare by a trader to claim or recover the charges for those goods is known as debit note. Credit note or credit memorandum. Whenever goods are taken back from the customer or allowance is granted to a customer, the supplier will prepare the statement is known as credit note. It includes value and quantity of the goods or description of the charges. Bank reconciliation. Reconciliation is a process of match or reconcile the bank transaction as per our passbook with the bank statement and match the bank balance as per our cash book. Why we need reconciliation? Sometimes bank people will charge the interest on overdraft, check return charges, or any other financial charges. Usually, it will not record it in our books. So, to match our balance with the bank statement, we need to reconcile and post those entries. Suspense account. When trial balance is not matching, which cause the difference in one side, we keep those differences in separate account. It's called as suspense account. Trading account. It is an account which shows merely the result of trading, like buying and selling of goods. Profit and loss account. The profit and loss account is an account which shows the net profit or net loss of the business for a particular trading period. Balance sheet. The statement of assets and liabilities has been prepared last day of the trading period. It's called as balance sheet. It is a list of assets and liabilities of the business. Thanks for watching. To get more notification on my update, click on this icon and subscribe my channel.